Hello everyone, and I have one more very interactive chess endgame study to show you. A very interactive and eye-opening chess endgame study composed by Alexey Troitsky. So white is playing for the win. It is white to play and win. So you can see that white has a pass pawn, but black is a piece up. Black has the bishop, but white is winning. The first move is obvious c6, because if you push the a pawn, then bishop to e4, and black is easily defending. If c takes, then bishop to d5, and the bishop is going to defend from this light diagonal. So c6, and basically white is threatening to push the pawn or capturing the pawn and then promoting the queen. So black must accept the pawn sacrifice, but black's own pawn is going to block the bishop from this diagonal. But you have to find the most accurate moves. So a6, bishop to e4, and black is preparing to push the pawn and defending against this passed pawn. The king can't reach on time, but the bishop can defend if black can pushes the pawn and defends. But white is not going to allow that. Can you guess the move? If you push the a pawn, this is a blunder because of c5, and black is defending very easily with the bishop, and this is going to be a draw, probably. So d5 is the move in this position, not a7, but d5. Bishop takes on d5, but there are some different possibilities. If c takes, then c takes on d3. The bishop can't defend actually if capturing the d pawn. So that is going to be a blunder, deflecting the only defender of the passed pawn. So black has to stay in this diagonal, but after d4, fixing the d pawn, and white is going to promote the queen. Okay, so tricky and very instructive. And after d5, if d2, then king takes, c takes, bishop takes is again not going to work for black because of c4, and if capturing the pawn, deflecting the bishop, and white is going to push the pawn, promote the queen, staying on this diagonal, but c5 is going to fix the c pawn, and white is going to promote the queen. And king to e3, if c takes on d5, not bishop takes, then bishop to g2, and king to d4, and now fixing the d pawn with the king, and black can't push the pawn, white is going to promote the queen. After d5, bishop takes on d5, and what would you do in this position if you had the white pieces? If white pushes the pawn, then black is going to push the pawn and defend with the bishop. So the move is c4. And if bishop takes pawn, then white is going to push the pawn and promote the queen, for example. Then how to defend? It's too late. Promoting the queen. So after c4, bishop to g2, and white to play and win. It should be easy. c5. Fixing the c pawn, and white is going to push and promote the queen. Very simple, eye-opening and instructive. So I hope you have seen some of the key moves, and I hope that you have find this chess problem, chess endgame study by Troitsky instructive. Take care and bye-bye.